If you have lower back pain at the moment, you're probably finding it very difficult to get a good night's sleep. Not only that, but when you wake up in the morning, perhaps you're finding it difficult to start moving. Maybe you're feeling achy, stiff, or even in pain. So in today's video, I'm going to review something that I think could potentially change the way you sleep for the better. If you don't know me, or you've never come across me before or seen any of my videos, my name's Ashley. I'm an osteopath based in North London in the UK. I've been an osteopath for over 13 years and I've treated probably thousands of patients to this point. So in that time, I've seen a good deal of lower back pain. So I have a pretty good idea of what works and what doesn't. Not only that, but about 7-8 years ago, I damaged my own back doing squats in the gym. And it took me many years to overcome this back pain, mainly because I wasn't doing all the right things. But one of the things I naturally started to do when I had back pain was to sleep with a pillow between my knees. That naturally gave me some relief, made me feel a little bit better when I woke up in the morning. But at that time, I didn't know any better, and I didn't know you could get these. This is a knee pillow. This is a knee pillow from a company called the Slumbar Company. Now this, you would fit between your thighs. So when you sleep at night, if you're a side sleeper, this will help to keep your thighs apart. When you sleep on your side without a pillow, what will happen is the top leg will drop down and that will create tension through your hip, buttock and into your lower back. Not only that, but that tension will often cause some kind of rotational force. So when you're sleeping for a long time and you're adding in that overstretched rotational force through the spine, when you wake up in the morning, the ligaments and the tendons around the spine have been overstretched. So when you start to get up and start moving around, it's painful because those tissues have been stretched for too long, and it's going to take them a while to get back to their natural elasticity and to get the blood moving through those tissues. So by sleeping with a knee pillow between your knees, it helps to take that tension away from the hips by spreading your thighs apart, which means that you can sleep in a more neutral position, so it doesn't put as much strain through your back when you sleep. Now the good thing about this pillow is its size. Now if you compare this to a normal sleeping pillow, it's much smaller in size. So if you were sleeping with a normal pillow between your knees, you would find it very difficult to turn over in bed, for example. As you turn over, the pillow would get caught between the duvet and the mattress. Something like this, it is not that much bigger than the size of your thighs. So when you turn over, there's less to get caught. This is made of a memory foam that's got a really nice firmness. Now, speaking of firmness, I purchased 3 other pillows, 2 of the same style and 1 that was triangular in shape. I got it from a fairly well-known online retailer, and I wanted to do this because I wanted to compare what the quality and how they felt was in comparison to this one. All 3 of the pillows I purchased were less firm than this one. So I found that when I was trying the other pillows, my knees would become a lot closer together. So I found that there was just slightly more tension throughout the hips. This one, out of the 4 that I've tried, 4 including this one has the most firmness. Personally, I prefer the firmness. Maybe you don't, but personally I do. This is made of a good quality memory foam material that's manufactured within the UK, so it complies to all UK fire regulations. The cover that goes on the pillow is removable, so you can wash it. It is of a breathable material, so you don't feel like you overheat throughout the night. I've never had an issue with this feeling too hot. So in terms of the feel at night, it's very, very comfortable. I don't have lower back pain at the moment, but it has made my sleep so much more comfortable. Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking this is a paid advertisement, and so I'm only going to say good things about it. Yes, it is paid, but if you have seen any of my previous videos, you would probably know by now that I don't review anything, or I don't accept any paid deals unless I truly believe in the product. I tried this product before I agreed to any deals. So I 100% believe in this product, and I wouldn't recommend it if I didn't think it would help you in some way. I've been using this every night, even though I don't have lower back pain, but it has still made me wake up feeling more comfortable than the nights when I don't have it. Not only that, but I have had a knee injury earlier this year where I damaged one of the medial ligaments in my knee. That meant that any sideways force when my knee comes down and opens up the inside of my knee would cause pain. Not only that, but any pressure on that ligament would cause pain too. So this has been a game changer in terms of taking that pressure away from the knee. So not only will this help you if you have lower back pain, but if you have knee pain and you find that pressure on the knees causes you pain, this is worth trying as well. In the UK, this retails for just over £20. I don't believe that they ship to the US at the moment, but if you are in the UK, I would highly recommend the Slumber Knee Pillow. They do also offer a 60-night guarantee. So if you're not happy with the quality of this product, or you're not happy with anything at all, you can send this back and they will refund you all of your money. So there's a no risk guarantee with this pillow. So as an osteopath and someone who has had back pain and who has had other problems, I recommend this not only to my patients, but I use it myself. So I highly recommend it to you. If you do decide that you want to give this a try, or you want to make a purchase, you can go to their website, slumber.co.uk, and you can use the code Ashley15, which will get you 15% off your order. So give this pillow a try. I hope it helps you as much as it's helped me and my patients.